51. Assisting a customer with a lost credit card. Context. A customer calls the bank after losing their credit card and needs to block it immediately. Hi, I lost my credit card and I'm worried someone might use it. Can you block it? I'm sorry to hear that. I'll block your card right away. Can you confirm your full name and the last four digits of the card? Sure. My name is James Carter and the last four digits are 5623. Thank you. I've blocked your card to prevent unauthorized transactions. Have you noticed any suspicious charges? Not yet, but I want to be safe. How can I get a replacement card? We'll issue a new card and mail it to your registered address. It should arrive within 5 to 7 business days. Is there any way to get it faster? Yes, we offer express delivery within 2 business days for a $20 fee. I'll go with standard delivery. What else should I do? You should update your payment details for any auto pay subscriptions. Good point. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else. 52. Advising a customer on investment options. Context. A customer visits the bank to explore investment opportunities. Hi, I have some savings and want to invest. What options do you recommend? That's great. Are you looking for low risk or high return investments? I'd prefer a balance between security and growth. In that case, we offer mutual funds, bonds, and stock market investment accounts. Have you invested before? No, this is my first time. No problem. A balanced mutual fund might be a good option. It combines stocks and bonds for steady growth. Sounds interesting. What's the minimum investment? You can start with as little as $1,000 and you can add more over time. What's the expected return? Historically, balanced funds yield around 6 to 8% annually, but returns vary. That's reasonable. How do I get started? We'll open an investment account and guide you through the process. Let's begin. Sounds good. Let's do it. 53. Helping a customer set up a joint bank account. Context. A married couple visits the bank to open a joint checking account. Hi, my wife and I want to open a joint bank account. How does it work? A joint account allows both of you to deposit, withdraw, and manage funds together. Would you like both signatures required for withdrawals? No, we'd prefer either of us to be able to access the account. Got it. What type of account are you looking for? A standard checking account or one with higher interest? A standard one should be fine. What documents do we need? Both of you need to provide IDs and proof of address. That's easy. Are there any fees? No monthly fees if you maintain a minimum balance of $500. Otherwise, there's a $10 fee. Sounds good. Let's proceed with the application. Perfect. I'll set up your account now. 54. Explaining the bank's mobile app features. Context. A customer visits the bank to ask about mobile banking features. Hi, I want to start using the bank's mobile app. What features does it have? Our app lets you check your balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and even deposit checks using your phone's camera. That's convenient. Can I also set up alerts for low balances? Absolutely. You can customize alerts for low balance, large transactions, and upcoming bills. Nice. What about security? The app uses fingerprint or face recognition for login, and all transactions require a PIN or password. That sounds safe. Can I transfer money to other banks? Yes, you can transfer funds instantly to other banks with our real-time payment system. That's great. How do I register? Just download the app and log in with your online banking credentials. If you need help, I can guide you. Thanks. I'll set it up now. 55. Assisting a customer with a mortgage refinancing inquiry. Context. A customer visits the bank to explore refinancing their mortgage. Hi, I'm considering refinancing my mortgage to get a lower interest rate. Can you explain the process? Sure. Refinancing means replacing your existing mortgage with a new loan, often with better terms. What's your current interest rate? I'm paying 5.2%, but I've seen lower rates advertised. Yes, rates have dropped. Based on your credit score, you might qualify for 4.1%. That could lower your monthly payment. That sounds good. Are there any fees? There are closing costs, which usually range from 2 to 5% of the loan amount. However, the long-term savings might outweigh the fees. Makes sense. How long does the process take? Typically 30 to 45 days. We'll need to check your credit, appraise your home, and finalize the paperwork. I see. What documents do I need? Your ID, proof of income, and recent mortgage statements. Okay, I'll gather everything and apply soon. Sounds great. Let me know if you have any questions. 56. Assisting a customer with a foreign currency exchange. Context. A customer visits the bank to exchange USD to EUR before traveling abroad. Hi, I'm traveling to Europe next week and need to exchange some US dollars to euros. Of course. How much would you like to exchange? About $2,000. What's the exchange rate today? Let me check. The current rate is 1 USD equals 0.91 UR. That means you'll get approximately 1,820 euros. Are there any fees? Yes, there's a standard exchange fee of $10 for non-account holders, but if you have an account with us, it's waived. I do have an account. Can I get a mix of small and large denominations? Absolutely. How would you like it? Mostly 50 euro notes, but some 20s would be helpful. No problem. Also, if you use our travel debit card, you can withdraw euros at ATMs abroad with no extra fees. That's useful. I'll consider that. Here's my cash for exchange. Great. Let me process that. Here are your euros and a receipt. Have a great trip. 57. Helping a customer open a business bank account. Context. A small business owner visits the bank to open a business account. Hi, I'm starting a small business and need a bank account. What's the process? That's great. We offer different business accounts based on your needs. What type of business do you have? It's an online store selling handmade craft. Perfect. Our small business checking account would be ideal. It has no monthly fees if you maintain a $1,000 balance. Sounds good. What documents do I need? We need your business registration certificate, tax ID, and your personal ID. I have all of those. Does the account come with a debit card? Yes, you'll get a business debit card, and you can also apply for a business credit card. That's helpful. Can I make international payments? Absolutely. You can send and receive international payments via wire transfers. Perfect. Let's set it up. Great. I'll start the process now. 58. Resolving a customer's online banking login issue. Context. A customer calls the bank because they can't log into their online banking account. Hi, I'm having trouble logging into my online banking account. It keeps saying my password is incorrect. I'm sorry about that. Have you tried resetting your password? I did, but I never received the reset email. Let's check. It seems your email was entered incorrectly in our system. I'll update it now. Thanks. Can I try resetting it again? Sure, I've sent you a new reset link. Let me know when you receive it. Got it. I'm setting a new password now. Perfect. Once you're logged in, I recommend enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. That's a good idea. I'll do that now. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else. 59. Explaining a bank's home loan pre-approval process. Context. A customer visits the bank to learn about getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Hi, I'm planning to buy a house and want to get pre-approved for a mortgage. How does it work? Great. Pre-approval helps you understand how much you can borrow before house hunting. Do you already have a property in mind? Not yet. I just want to know my budget. Understood. We'll review your credit, income, and financial history to determine the loan amount you qualify for. What documents do I need? Your ID, proof of income, tax returns for the last 2 years, and recent bank statements. How long does the pre-approval process take? Usually 2 to 3 business days. Once approved, you'll receive a letter stating the loan amount. How long is the pre-approval valid? Typically 90 days. If you don't find a home within that time, you can renew it. That's good to know. Let's start the process. Absolutely. Let's begin your application now. 60. Handling a customer's request to increase their credit limit. Context. A customer calls the bank to request a higher credit limit. Hi, I'd like to request a credit limit increase on my credit card. Is that possible? Yes, we can certainly review your request. How much of an increase are you looking for? I currently have a $5,000 limit. I'd like to raise it to $8,000. Let me check your account. Your payment history looks good. We can approve an increase up to $7,500 today. Would that work? That's fine. Will this affect my credit score? A small inquiry will be made, but if you maintain good credit usage, it won't negatively impact your score. Good to know. Will my interest rate change? No, your current rate stays the same. Sounds great. Let's proceed. Perfect. Your new limit is now active. You'll see the change in your account shortly. Thanks for the help. You're welcome. Have a great day.